Have you ever heard of a scheme which can actually make your money double? Yes, एक का double. And I'm not talking about any movie. This is actually a central government guarantee scheme which can double your money.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
Hello friends, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Bosswala English. Today the scheme I'm talking about is Kisan Vikas Patra. And I will tell you 4 best post office schemes where you can invest your money without any risk and with guaranteed returns. Kisan Vikas Patra is a long-term small savings scheme backed by the central government and it is started in 1988. If you want to invest in this scheme, you just have to visit any post office or any bank. The minimum amount of investment you can start with is 1000 rupees and there is no maximum limit. You can invest as much as money you want. It has a maturity period of 115 days, that is 9 years and 7 months. This government scheme has very low risk and they give guaranteed returns. Currently, the interest rate is 7.5% and it is usually fixed. So if you have started investing in 2025, so the next 9 years, your interest rate will be same as of 2025. Now, if you want to know who all can invest, so every Indian who is above 18 years of age can invest in it and there is no maximum age limit. Accounts can also be opened in the name of the minors, but the responsibility will be taken by the guardians. This scheme also has an option for joint accounts. So if you are a husband and wife or a brother-sister category, if you fall under these categories, you can also open this account jointly. Let's understand the process of investing now. So you just have to visit the post office or any nearby bank. You need to get an application form from them. You need to fill all your details there and submit it to the bank or the post office. Along with it, certain documents will be required like your Aadhaar card, your PAN card and few KYC documents. You can make your first deposit by cash, check or demand draft. As soon as the process is complete, all the verifications are done by the bank, you will receive a Kisan Vikas Patra certificate. Now if you want to ask, is any transfer possible? So yes, the account can be transferred from one person to another person or from one post office or bank to another post office or bank. Now if you want a premature withdrawal, so that will not be possible unless 2 years are completed. The withdrawal can only be done after 2 years, 6 months, along with certain conditions. You can comment me down if you want to know about all these conditions like any medical emergency or marriage emergency or education purpose. So I will let you know after how much of time you can withdraw your amount partially. There is one more benefit for this scheme. If you want loan and you do not have any collateral to put on, then you can use your Kisan Vikas Patra certificate. Now, if I'll talk about the taxation, so there will be no TDS deduction, but taxes will be deducted from your interest on that you have, the interest that you have earned according to the income slab only. Since I have told you that through this scheme, you can get your money doubled, which means if you invest 1 lakh, you'll get 2 lakhs. If you invest 5 lakhs, you can get 10 lakhs. 10 lakh becomes 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs become 50 lakhs, 50 lakhs become 1 crore and 1 crore becomes 2 crore. Okay, let me tell you this thing that this calculation is according to the current interest rate, that is 7.5% annually. Okay friends, before moving forward, I want to tell you that since all these schemes that I will tell you in this video will help you in your investing journey or will help you to grow your money. But what about your life security, your family's financial security? Because for that, you should have a great term insurance plan. And in that, Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan is helping you. From this, you can get up to 1 crore of life cover at just 578 rupees of premium per month. They are also giving 15% first year discount for salaried individuals, and for women who are working will get 15% first year discount plus 15% lifetime discount. They provide a 3 hours claim settlement guarantee with a 99.7% claim settlement ratio. They have a special exit value benefit as well. So if you want to know more about this term insurance plan, do check out the link in the description because this is India ke bharose ka number. Let's move on to our next scheme. Next scheme comes in is Public Provident Fund, famously known as PPF. So the current interest rate that is going on right now is 7.1% and the interest rate is usually revised after every 3 months. So minimum investment per year you can start with 500 rupees and maximum you can go up to 1.5 lakhs per year. The investment time period is 15 years. That means after 15 years you will get the matured amount that you have invested. Also, there is a possibility of the extension of the time period, which can be done in the blocks of 5 years. So if you want to continue your investment after your 15 years are completed, you can still do that, but in a blocks of 5 years. You can start your investing from any nearby post office or any bank. And you know what is the best part of the scheme? It has no risk and guaranteed returns. Also, they have tax benefit. Under Section 80C, these schemes fall under the category of EEE, that is exempt, 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 which means the amount that you have invested will be exempted from the tax, the interest that you have earned will be exempted from the tax, and the full amount, full matured amount that you have earned, that you have withdrawn, will be exempted from the tax. Partial withdrawal is possible only after 5 years, and the fully withdraw is after 15 years. You cannot withdraw your amount before 5 years. Next scheme which knocks the door is Post Office Monthly Income Scheme, and this scheme gives you interest every month like a salary. So the current rate of interest that is going on is 7.4%, and it is revised after every 3 years. The minimum investment per year you can do with 1000 rupees, and the maximum you can go up to 9 lakh rupees if you are a single account holder. It also gives you an option for joint account holders where the investment amount increases to 15 lakhs. Investment duration is 5 years, and you can start investing from any post office. Best part? No risk. For taxation, taxes will be deductible on your interest earned according to the income tax slabs. And if I give you the monthly example, so if you invest 15 lakhs, every month you can get 9,250 rupees. Let's move on to our last scheme, which is Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. And this scheme is best for girl child. The current interest rate that is going on is 8.2%, and it is revised after every 3 months. The minimum investment of per year is just 250 rupees, and the maximum you can go up to 1.5 lakhs. Investment duration is 15 years, and you can start your investment journey with any post office or bank. With no risk, this scheme gives tax benefits as well under EEE, exempt, exempt, exempt category, also under Section 80C. Let me explain you this with an example. So if you have a girl child who turns 1 in 2025 and you have started investing in the same year, so your investment journey will be matured after 15 years, that is 2040. But the amount you will get only after your girl child turns 21, that is 2046. But the point is, you just need to invest for 15 years. However, you will only receive the amount after your girl child turns 21. So in case you have invested 1.5 lakhs annually for 15 years, so the total investment that you have made will become 22.5 lakhs. So the amount that you will get after your girl child turns 21, so the full amount that you will get, matured amount, it will be 69.27 lakhs. So I guess it is one of the best deals that you are getting from the government. Okay friends, so these are the 4 post office schemes in which you can start investing, because these schemes have no risk and they provide guaranteed returns as well. If you have any doubt related to these schemes, or you want to suggest me any of the other schemes of the government, do tell me in the comment section. And I am Mansi. We'll see you in the next video.
Bosswala. Be the boss.